So into kufanele uyi-underline la ukuthi mayevula isili he saw the rider, the one who was riding the horse, the rider. His name was called Death.
Death, yes.
Yabo.
Yes.
So nakho ke manje nanga umuntu seshonile. Yabo. Ushayiswe imoto or ushonele ewodini esibhedlela.
Yeah.
Yabo. Kuphathwa ini ihlahla. Lo mlahla nkosi lo. Ufika ubekwa kuphi phezulu kombhede. Or ubekwe emgaqweni la eshonele khona. Yabo. Kuthiwani manje sekuthiwa akagibele lehlahla. Sikulandile asambe siye ekhaya. Sebembiza ngani? Ngegama lakhe lo muntu. Yabo.
Yeah, ngakulo lehlahla.
Bathi akagibele la. Yabo. Uyabona lo the rider of the horse elakhe igama ubani? uDeath.
uDeath, the rider of the horse.
Do you need a spiritual home or a place you can fellowship every Sunday? A place that is accommodative to your family and children? Look no further. Join us this Sunday with Apostle Nanda at Prayer Center Midrand. The time is 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. The address is 519 New Pen Crescent, Halfway House, Palms Office Park, Midrand. For more information, contact 076 1045 863 or 084 711 0060. Or visit us on Facebook, Instagram, and X at Pastor Nanda Ministries. Come and experience God's power in His Word as Christ is revealed.